Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today you can see I got the snowplow hooked up to the Ranger 1000 XP. Getting a little bit of snow out there. I don't know what it's going to add up to, but we'll probably be able to push a little something. I've got a little upgrade for the plow markers. Right now I just got these actually come off an old plow, and I threw them on there just to have them. So it's time to upgrade. So I actually got these donated, and I'll link them. The guy's on eBay, really nice guy. They actually sent me an orange set too, but I want to try the blue because anybody that's been following me with this project, you know blue is my color on this Ranger. We're not trying to stay road legal either, so I'm going to try these blue ones. I think they're going to be awesome. We got the harness right here. I'm going to have to run wires because it is lighted. So I got to figure out a way to run the wires along this plow here without getting them tangled in something or damaged, some way to protect them, but that's kind of what my trouble is. And then I got to hook them. I got to get power from the machine, so I'll just add another wire there with a nice weatherproof connector, and I'll run it. I'll probably run it to the bus bar. Yeah, I'm going to get to work. So I got the wire run around here, and it goes on top of that flap. These connectors that are on these markers are really nice, high quality automotive connectors. Really like that. But I run the wire up here. You can see I've got a regular deal right here. I forget what them are called right now. I don't know what the heck's wrong with me, but I can't think of that name. Anyway, I got one of these on the end. I got one on each end. And then I've got the wire running along the flat back of the flap. And I've got these things right here. These metal clips. Which actually I had to kind of bend them a little bit. Here they are. We had a couple boxes of these. I had to kind of bend them up to work. But I loosened up the flap, shoved a bunch of them in there. Don't even notice that wire going across there. Okay, so then they Y into one right here. I've got the wire loomed up going down here, around here. I don't have it super tight because this is a full trip plow. So when that plow trips, I want some slack in that wire so we don't rip something out somewhere. So the wire is not, it's zip tied so it don't get into anything, but it's not super tight. I've got a connector down in there. It's probably too dark, you can't see it. But it's just a quick connector, so when I unhook the plow, I can unplug it. Just like my power angle there. Okay, so to get power to those markers, I'm going to use the Polaris bus bar. You can see I'm full. I had to modify one here. The one that runs my two daytime running lights right up front here, I just kind of redid it. Actually, I wanted to put a relay in the deal anyway, so I'm going to plug into this one right here. I'm going to plug into that one. I've got the grounds going to the ground right here, the main ground there. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the little harness that I've got made for this. Okay, so here's the harness I've got built with a relay. So I'm going to go through this kind of quick. This is going to plug into the bus bar. Okay, so this has a black, which is ground, a blue, which is switched power. When the switch is on, that has power, and then you got a red, which has got full-time power. Now don't quote me on these colors because I believe they sell these plugins with different colors. So know what your wires are doing. Don't just copy me here because you might set something on fire or wreck something, and I don't want to be the cause of that. Know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, go on, learn about wiring, and get some knowledge before you do this. So anyway, the red wire, which is constant power, is feeding the relay. I've got an inline fuse right here. Probably do a 10 amp fuse. This is not drawing much power at all. Then I've got the black one, which goes to the ground of the relay. This yellow one, this is not used in my application. Some relays don't even have that wire, but these are pretty nice weatherproof relays. Okay, so then you've got the blue wire coming out of the bus bar. That's going to be the trigger. It goes to the white wire on this relay, and that's going to trigger the relay when I turn the key to the on position, and then power is going to go out this blue wire right here. And you can see I've got two wires set up on this one because I've got to connect to my original daytime running lights that I had, and then I'm going to add these marker lights. So kind of a quick rundown. Like I said, don't just copy me with all these colors because your colors may be different on your relay and your bus bar plug. But this is how I'm doing it. I'm going to get it plugged in, everything hooked up, because I can't wait to see what this thing looks like. Alrighty guys, there it is. They are on. Pretty neat. They might not be as bright as the orange ones, but I think once we get outside in the dark, they're gonna really pop. So I got a little bit of snow here. I'll push some snow, set you up, and you can watch it.